Good afternoon everyone. So today we will discuss about the basic nomenclature for initial stability of a ship. So first, we'll discuss about the ship stability and how it is important to the ship. Ship stability and initial stability. Ship stability is a fundamental concept in our naval architecture that determines how a ship reacts to an external force such as waves, wind, or loading condition. It is crucial for the safety of the vessel, crew, and cargo. Stability can be classified into initial stability and overall stability, with initial stability focusing on small angles of heel. So first, what is initial stability? Initial stability refers to a ship's ability to resist small changes in its inclination due to external forces. It is primarily measured using the metacentric height or GM. The key factors influencing initial stability are metacentric height or GM. A higher GM means greater stability but also results in a stiff, uncomfortable motion for the crew. A lower GM makes the ship more comfortable but lead to instability. The number 2 are the center of gravity. If G is too high, the ship becomes less stable. If G is too low, stability increases. And the last one is the buoyancy distribution. A well-distributed buoyant force helps contain stability. Number 2. Stability of a ship. A ship's stability is its ability to return to its upright position after being tilted by external forces. Stability is categorized into 2. Number 1 is the transverse stability. Stability in the side-to-side, port-to-starboard direction. Number 2, longitudinal stability. Stability in the fore and after, bow to stern direction.
The basic nomenclature for initial stability of a ship includes the following terms. GM, metacentric height. Distance between G, center of gravity, and M, metacenter, determines initial stability. KG, keel to center of gravity height, vertical distance from the keel to the center of gravity. KM, keel to metacenter height, vertical distance from the keel to the metacenter. KB, keel to the center of buoyancy height, vertical distance from the keel to the center of buoyancy. GZ, righting lever, the horizontal distance between the center of gravity and buoyancy force. B, center of buoyancy, the centroid of the submerged volume of the ship. M, metacenter, the point where the buoyant climax when the ship beats slightly. G, center of gravity, the point where the entire weight of the ship is considered to act. And the last is O, angle of heel, the tilt angle caused by an external force. That's all.
Number 4. Importance of stability in ship design. Ship stability is essential to prevent capsizing, ensure a smooth and safe voyage, improve crew comfort and cargo security, optimize fuel efficiency, and maneuverability. How stability is maintained: proper weight distribution, ballast water, cargo arrangement. Hull design consideration: controlling the height of the center of gravity, monitoring stability curves and calculations.